Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to view all blocked emails in Gmail so you can take full control of your inbox. If you've ever wondered who you've blocked or suspect important emails might be slipping through the cracks, this guide will make it simple and stress-free. First, start by logging into your Gmail account. Just open Gmail in your browser and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This little icon is your gateway to all Gmail settings. So go ahead and click it. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's full settings menu where all the controls you need are neatly organized. Now find the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Don't be intimidated by the technical name. This is exactly where you manage who can and can't send you emails. Click on that tab and scroll down until you see the section titled The following email addresses are blocked. Here you'll find a complete list of every email address you've ever blocked. This is extremely useful because it gives you full visibility into who currently cannot reach your inbox. If you notice an address that you want to unblock, it's simple. Just click the Unblock option next to the email address, and emails from that sender will start arriving in your inbox again. Taking a few moments to review this list is not only enlightening, but also helps you make sure you're not missing any important messages. It's a quick and easy way to tidy up your inbox and ensure that only the emails you want are coming through. And that's it. By checking and managing your blocked email list in Gmail, you stay in control of your inbox, keeping it both secure and organized. Give it a try and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly who can and can't reach you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips that make your digital life smoother.